What's up guys, in this video today I'm going to show you the top 5 best car ramps. If you're a do-it-yourselfer when it comes to your beloved car or truck, the car ramps are among the most essential and valuable tools that you can have at your disposal. There are a lot of products available to choose to car ramps, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car ramps product from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Rage Powersports Car Ramps. The 6009 V2 set is designed to provide a small amount of clearance, about 2.5 inches, and is perfect for low-profile vehicles. It features an incline of just a smidge above 9 degrees, and supports vehicles with a gross vehicle weight up to 4,400 pounds. We're stating the obvious here, but 2.5 inches isn't enough for oil changes or whatever. So, what are these mini ramps used for then? Well, two things. Some enthusiasts will use them to keep the car a little bit higher off the ground during storage. They also make using a jack a lot easier. Getting a jack under a low car can be hard for most people. You can use these car service ramps for low vehicles for that little bit of extra clearance. Your jack now fits under the vehicle with ease, and you can jack the car or truck up height that you require. These are made of plastic, and a honeycomb design avoids long-term moisture buildup. An integrated wheel groove serves as a tire stop. Each ramp is compact and weighs less than 5 pounds. Number 2. FloTool RhinoRamp. RhinoGear is among the most respected and innovative manufacturers in the vehicle ramps world, and this brand makes it to the top of our list not just once but twice. All Rhino ramps are made using a proprietary heavy-duty resin material that is developed and patented by RhinoGear. This stuff is tough and molded into a textured design to prevent slippage. It is built to last and can support a gross vehicle weight as high as 12,000 pounds. These are low-clearance ramps with a 17-degree incline for best functionality and convenience. The ramp measures 22 inches in overall length to avoid interference when driving low-profile vehicles. At the top position, you get height of around 6.5 inches from the floor. After reaching elevation, there is also an obstruction at end of each ramp to stop your vehicle from going down. These are also the most inexpensive vehicle ramp set on the market. The RhinoGear also features a proprietary core-track tread pattern and non-skid base that substantially lessens the likelihood of slippage. During our review, we were greatly impressed by how easily we were able to drive up onto these car ramps. Number 3. Black Widow Car Ramps. Just because you don't want to spend a ton on a ramp for your vehicle doesn't mean you can't get a high-quality one. The Black Widow PSR 295 plastic car service ramps are just that, a high-quality vehicle ramp available for a great price. It can handle vehicles up to 10,000 pounds, and with each ramp weighing just 9 pounds each, it's easy to set up and move around. Even better is the fact that it supports tires as wide as 123, so you can easily use it for larger vehicles. And while the plastic design might not be quite as sturdy as steel or aluminum, the traction grooves on the ramp do a great job of helping your vehicle get up the ramp without sliding it around. Still, it is a lower priced ramp, and a big reason for this is the lower maximum lift that it gives you. It lifts your vehicle more than 6 inches off the ground, but for a ramp that's not great for low-profile vehicles, just over 6 inches is on the lower end of things. Number 4. BISupply Vehicle Ramp. If you both have a low-profile vehicle and a larger truck or SUV and want one service ramp set that can handle both, then this BISupply Vehicle Service Ramp set might be just what you're looking for. While it won't handle extremely low vehicles, it does a great job for most stock-height compact vehicles and sports cars. There are plenty of traction grooves to help your vehicle get up the ramp without sliding it around, and it's incredibly lightweight, so it's easy to move from place to place for different jobs. Additionally, the higher maximum vehicle weight ensures that it can handle just about anything you can throw at it. However, while all that is great, there's no denying it's a more expensive option for plastic ramps. It's still more affordable than the steel or aluminum options out there though. But one trade-off for the combination of weight capacity. Number 5. MaxxHaul Car Ramps. The MaxxHaul 50516 is another extremely affordable low-profile vehicle ramp you can use to lift an extremely low-profile vehicle. It's also very durable and lightweight, making it a great choice to keep in your vehicle, so you never end up stranded somewhere. However, it only provides 2.5 inches of lift, so it's best to have a jack or something else on hand, that way you can get the vehicle up high enough to work on it. It also doesn't have the highest maximum vehicle weight capacity, so it really only works for smaller vehicles. But our chief complaint with the MaxxHaul 50516 low-profile vehicle ramp is the lack of traction you get while getting your vehicle onto the ramp. While it's not as big of a deal since it only takes your vehicle 2.5 inches off the ground, we'd like a little more just for a little extra peace of mind. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem please comment below.